Deslicer is the agentic intelligence layer for Splunk. Connect any Splunk host in under 2 minutes. Just chat. One question to the Deslicer Automation Copilot. How do I connect my Splunk environment? The Deslicer Automation Copilot mints an enrollment token scoped to your host, embedded in the app, no terminal needed. The Deslicer AI Insights add-on is now on Splunkbase. Configure it with the AI Copilot and deploy in 2 steps. Splunk Web, Apps, install app from file, 2 steps. Splunk restarts, the host auto-enrolls. First config data arrives, over 16,000 config items indexed. Your host is live in Deslicer. Once installed, Deslicer AI begins collecting configuration data from your Splunk hosts, giving you instant fleet-wide visibility. Your Splunk fleet is now fully connected to Deslicer AI. Here's everything that just unlocked. 0 configuration. Instant Splunk visibility. Start for free at deslicer.ai.